So here we present the solution to this question. If log to the base m of log to the base m of x is defined, then which of the following must be undefined? And we are given four options. There was another screencast in which we had a hint, but here the entire solution is presented. So the first thing we take a look at is the behavior. What happens when the base changes? So let's consider this expression log of to the base 1 by m of x, and we use the change of base rule with the new base being m. So it becomes log to the base m of x and log to the base m of 1 by m. And you can see by the working that turns out to be minus log to the base m of x. And this is shown in the graph alongside. The red graph indicates log x to the base m, whereas the green graph indicates log x to the base 1 by m. And you can see that at every single point, log x to the base 1 by m is the negative of log x to the base m. So what this means is that if log to the base m of log to the base m of x is defined, then this internal logarithm must be positive. Otherwise, the outside logarithm will not exist. Now, if that is the case, then let's consider the options. Log to the base m of log to the base m of x minus 1. That could be defined if log of x to the base m is greater than 1. All you have to ensure is this expression in the parentheses is positive. Similarly, with the next option, log to the base m of 1 minus log to the base m of x, that could be defined if log to the base m of x is less than 1, because in that case, this expression in the parentheses would be greater than 1, greater than 0. Now let's consider the expression log to the base 1 by m of log to the base m of x. That, as we've seen from the previous slide, will simply be log to the base m of log to the base m x using the change of base theorem. And so this would be defined because it's given that it's defined, and so this one is just the negative of what was earlier defined. But when you come to log to the base m of log to the base 1 by m of x, that will be undefined, because if log to the base m of x is positive, then log to the base 1 by m of x must be negative, and then the logarithm of that will not exist. And so, going back to the options, we can see that a, b, and d could be defined. B is actually defined, but a and d could be defined. However, c is definitely not defined.